Welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious and my mom is there filming me. And so today we'll be doing some slime. So here are the ingredients that we need. Sorry about that. You need 2 glues. I have this glue, I have this glue. It's really watery a little bit, but yeah. And you need some detergent. I already opened it. It's not. This is the detergent gel, maybe something like that, because it's kind of like not liquidy. And you will need a bowl and a spoon. So let's get started. So first, we'll take off the cap of the white glue. Squirt. Oh my god, that's so. It's so watery. Where's the cap? There it is. It's here. This is so watery. 3, 2. So watery. I hope it's not a fail. Because this is so watery.
Mix mo muna.
Okay, let me mix it. Oh, this looks so cool. Oh, it's so satisfying. So satisfying. Okay, mix the glue so well. This is so gross. It's like melted ice cream, but it's not ice cream. So cool. It's so wumpy. I can smell it from here. Okay, let me add the detergent. Just a minute. Mixing it very well, and let's put the detergent. Oh, let me cover it a little bit more. Okay. We'll put it. Oh, oops. Too much. Too much. Let's see here. Oh, it's really a great color. See? It's turning light blue. But I can't see the blue right now. Ooh, so wumpy. Ah, what's that? Okay, let me try it. Oh, so watery and so wumpy, like a little bouncy ball. What? Okay, let's see. Ooh, so wumpy. It's okay. Just put a little bit, like a 1 drop. 1 drop. I thought there's an ant. Like a little green and blue and so wumpy. There's a lot of bubbles. Let me try to put my hand in. Oh, that's so cool. It's really watery also because Mom put some water on it, the glue, when she's washing the glue. I don't know if this is a fail or a success because when I did the slime, it became like this. See? It became perfect. I just tested it out and it did work. See? Oh, maybe if I like less glue, like if I put the glue somewhere else, then it became more easier. Do we have another lalagyan? I'm trying to make it a little bit, so yeah, and if it didn't work, we're gonna throw it all. Because maybe the glue is fake or something like that. This is so wumpy.
So,
it's a fail. I mean, it's it's forming, but it doesn't look like slime. And I'll just wait a few more minutes or something like that. Let's put it on the freezer and let's check if it's gonna work. Like 5 minutes.
15.
What?
15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes. Let me go try it out. Hey guys, I'm back and the slime is a fail. I put it on the chiller like 10 minutes, but it still didn't work. So it's a big fail. So this is what it looks like. Just a minute. It's a fail. See, it's really gooey. Ew. And this is a waste of money because, yeah,
It's a big
mess. And it's really gloppy. And this is made of China because it's really watery glue. I thought it's the same for the girl's channel, which her name is Samantha, but it's a fail.
It's a big
Fail.
fail. Okay?
But thank you guys for the 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate those. So yeah, keep subscribing. Bye.